Gucci and gold. You own that original, but slightly out of control. Goodness gracious, it's amazing. Patrick Swayze, hey oh, blow my mind, yeah. Lemon and lime, yeah. One of a kind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is MaShelle Miko Dean, your group fitness instructor, all the way here from Atlanta, GA. Now, this workout can be done in shoes, tennis shoes, bare feet, or yoga wraps. You cannot do this workout in socks, you guys. You need some traction on your feet to prevent your feet from slipping as you are transitioning into the different moves and to keep yourself safe and prevent injury, okay? Now, the only equipment you are gonna need for this workout is water, a towel, a mat, your footwear, and a can-do attitude, you guys. So without any further ado, let's get right into the warm-up. All right, gang, so for heat building, we're gonna step to the front of our mat. Heat building is always the same, only our variation and our transitions are different, okay? So again, listen for my cues. I'm gonna talk you through everything, okay? Deal? You got this, don't worry. I got you. Inhale up, forward fold, half lift, step back to plank, settle into your plank, drop to your knees, raise your heels. We got tricep push-ups. We have a new tempo. Down slow, down for 2. Now give me 2 quick. You don't have to go down low here. 1 slow. Back up. 2 quick. Curl the toes under, crouching down dog. Same pattern. Down for 2, straight for 2. 2 quick. Boom. Boom. Down slow. Down, 2, and up. 2 quick. You got this. Right leg comes forward. We have a wide low lunge into a reverse. Hold. Lower the hand, keep lunging. So you can hold this as a static lunge, or you can move through like I am. Step back, switch sides. Same thing on the left. So the dynamic movement helps ease your muscles ease into movement, okay? It warms them slowly. Step back. Same thing. We're just gonna cut it in half. Lower the hand. 2 more lunges. Open up through the hamstrings. Switch sides. Lower the hand. Okay. Keep the hands on the floor. Just give me the lunges. 2 right and 2 left. You got this. Switch sides. Last one here. Step together. Sun salutation. Forward fold. Half lift. Step back to plank. Here's our chaturanga combination. Lower into an up dog and hold. 4, 3, 2. Push back to down dog. Paddle your heels. So you guys know I just got over an Achilles injury that had me on injured reserve. So these Achilles stretches are super important. Step together. Sun salutation. So we're gonna repeat that. A little bit faster tempo. Step back to plank. Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. Step together. Repeat that. Sundown. Forward fold. Half lift. Plank. Chaturanga. Warm it up through the shoulders and the lower back. Step together. Okay, left side, single leg chair. We have 4, right side. Sorry guys. You know what I meant. This side. Switch sides. Boom. This is our transition. Last one. All right, variation 1. Half lift. Step back to plank. Right leg crosses over, down dog, back to plank, back to down dog, step together, do it again, sun sal, half lift, step back to plank. This time the left leg is gonna cross over, down dog, back to plank, back to down dog, uncross your feet, step together, single leg chair, 4, 3, 2, Switch, left side, 4, 3, 2, last 1. Second variation, inhale up, forward fold, half lift. Step back to down dog, put your right leg forward, reach the arms up, back down, step back to down dog, bring the right leg forward again, lift your chest, and lower. Lower and hold. Woo. 4, 3, step together. We're going to repeat that on the left. Inhale up. Forward fold. Half lift. Step back to down dog. Bring your left leg forward. Arms up. Back down to the floor. Step back to down dog. Bring the left leg forward again with the chest and lunge. Lower and hold. 4, 3, 2, step together. Amazing. All right, crew, it is time to work our core with core and more with some basic punches and some bridge work. All right, gang, let's get started. So just go ahead and give me an inhale up, forward fold, half lift, release it, take it back down to a plank, push into down dog, back to plank. Get ready, we have elbow drops, right side first. Take it down, dolphin, back up, right side first, push to down dog. We're going to do it again. Elbow drop. Right and left. Hips up. Down dog. Drop the left heel. Raise the right. Press. Press and lower. Press. Press and lower. Press. Press. Lower. You got this. Press. Press. Working the glutes here. Excellent. Last one. Press into child's pose and hold. This is our transition. We have to do that same thing on the left side. Hold. All right. Take it back up to plank. Let's elbow drop. Down, down, and dolphin. Press it back up. Left side first. Push back to down dog. Elbow drop, left side. Dolphin. Point, take it up. Drop the right knee, left leg goes up and press. Press and lower. Press, lower. Press and lower, you got it. Squeeze the glutes. Squeeze. Last time. Push it back to child's pose and hold. Transition into part 2. Go ahead and roll it up for me. Take it to your back. Drop the knees to the right. We have baby pulses with that slice. Here we go. Pulse it up. Pulse. Pulse. Slice. Top arm, top leg. Pulse. Pulse. Slice. Do it again. Pulse. Slice it up. Last time. Get ready to transition to that bridge work. Turn on your back and pulse. 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 Drop. Squeeze. Squeeze. Drop. We're raising the hips. Tightening the glutes. And releasing. Release. 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 Hold that bridge. Hold. Make sure your glutes are nice and tight. Bikini season is coming. Tighten those glutes up. Yeah, go ahead and release. We're going to do the same thing. Drop the knees to the opposite side. Crunch it up. Crunch. Crunch. Slice. You got it. Pulse. Pulse. Slice. 2 more times. Squeeze. Well, there's going to be obliques here. Bridge work. Get ready. Turn to your back. Pulse it up. Pulse. Pulse. Release. Pulse. Pulse when you release. Pulse it. Really tighten those glutes. Woo. Awesome. Couple more. Last one. Release and take it back into that bridge and hold. Love working lower body. All right, go ahead and release it for me. Bring the knees up. Hands behind your head. You're going to look through your thighs. Give me a reach and sweep. Reach, sweep, pulse, pulse, reach, sweep, and pulse. Baby crunches here. Do it again. Reach, sweep, pulse, pulse. One more. Reach, sweep, pulse. Drop the right, drop the left, raise the right. Pulse and lower. Bring it up. Pulse. There we go. Lower. Boom. 2 more times. Pulse. Pulse. More bridge work here. Working through the glutes. Pulse. Pulse. Lower. Bring it back up. And relax. You have to do the same thing on the left side. Got a little distortion on my mic there. Here we go. Awesome. Okay. Raise the heels. You're going to look through your thighs. Hands behind your head. Get ready. Reach and sweep. Here we go. Reach, sweep, crunch, crunch, reach, sweep, and crunch. Excellent. Reach, sweep, crunch. Give me one more of those. Reach, sweep, crunch. Drop the right leg. Left leg goes up. Pulse, pulse, and lower. Do it again. Pulse, pulse, lower. So your foot is flexed. Pulse, pulse, lower. Last one. Pulse, pulse, lower. Bring it back up. All right, take it down to the floor. Knees to the chest. Release the back. Rotate the ankles. Reverse the rotation. And just hug your knees into the chest. Releasing the back, releasing the abs. Excellent job. Go ahead and roll it up for me. All right, gang, it is time for stretch and strength. And what I love about stretch and strength is you really get an opportunity to hold your stretches and elongate your muscles. So let's start with an inhale up. Give me a forward fold. Half lift and release. Take it down to down dog, into plank, back to down dog. Bring the right leg forward and drop the left knee. First stretch, low lunge, and hold. So we have our knee rested on the floor to really make this a stretch move. We can really concentrate on stretching that front, hamstring, quad, and glute, as well as the inner thigh. So just enjoy this, because in a few minutes we're going to take that knee up to get ready for our strength move. So just lift that knee and hold. There we go. Because our strength move is a connect. So we need to be in position so we can go right into that connect. 4, 3, 2, here we go. Connect. Double lift. Connect. Double lift. Connect and lunge. Do it again. Connect. Do it again. Connect and lunge. Excellent. So take the right leg back. Bring the left leg forward and drop the knee. Stretching through the left side. Oh, enjoy. Excellent. 4, 3, 2. Lift the knee and hold. Have to go through that same combination on the left. Go ahead and drop the hand. Get in position. Get ready for that connect. Because it's coming. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, connect. Double lift. Connect, lift, connect, and lunge. Do it again. Connect, lift, lift, connect, lift, lift, connect, and lunge. All right, take the left leg back. Bring the right leg forward for a pigeon. Second stretch. Enjoy. Feels so good. So what I love about pigeon is one of my favorite stretches. It really stretches through the inner thigh, the thighs, and the glutes, okay? So second 32, you want to relax into your stretch, intensifying, and enjoy. Breathe. Go ahead and take it back to down dog for me. Right leg goes over, pause for 2. Take it to plank. Down dog, pause for 2. Plank. Couple more times. Push back into down dog. Plank. Do it again. Plank. Okay, and cross the feet. Bring the left foot forward for pigeon stretch on the left side. Enjoy. So just relax. Breathe in and out. Let your muscles relax and open up. And really, really stretch. Second 32, intensify the stretch. Hold. Breathe through this. Okay, take it back to down dog. Or plank. Left leg, down dog pulses. Pulse for 2, take it to plank. So the left ankle is crossed over the right. Plank. Do it again. Pulse for 2. Plank. Last time. Plank. Uncross the feet. Okay, so drop down to one knee. Bring the legs out to the side for staff position. And we're just going to stretch down the backs of the legs. Hold. Enjoy. Second 32, intensify the stretch, round your back a little bit. You got it. Hold. Okay, so go ahead and bend the knee for me. Take it out, extend that leg, and you're gonna forward, reverse, lift, lift. Push it forward, forward, reverse circle, 2 lifts. Do it again, push forward, forward, reverse, lift, some outer hip work here. Forward, reverse, lift, and lift. So drop it down. We're gonna repeat that. Swing the legs to the opposite side. Into staff pose and just hold. Excellent. Hold. Second 32, intensify the stretch. Round your back. Enjoy. Excellent. Hold. Okay, so go ahead and bring it up for me. Extend that leg. Push the foot forward. Forward. Reverse. Lift. Lift. Push it forward. Forward. Reverse. Lift. Lift. Forward. Reverse. Lift. One more. Forward. Reverse. And lift. And lift. So go ahead and bring it down to staff position. Excellent. We did it. Excellent job on that workout, you guys. Make sure you are eating healthy meals, reducing your sugar content, reducing your snacking and your unhealthy fat intake, and you will see results in your fitness and in your weight loss, I promise you. If you enjoyed this workout, you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you are notified anytime I upload a video. I'm always posting workout-proof hair tutorials because we have to look fabulous in addition to getting fit. That's what we call getting fit and fabulous, okay? So make sure you check out my playlist for some of those videos as well. Until our next workout, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and make sure you stay fit and fabulous.